I just built a real browser-based video game, and then I built a fully functional social media platform, both deployed, both live, and I just described what I wanted and Replit built it. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another AI video. Today I'm jumping back over on Replit and we're gonna go from idea to real app to live. So just head on over to replit.com. Of course, the link is gonna be in the description and pinned comment below as always. All right, we are all signed up and signed in and we're gonna pop our idea right here in the prompt box. Before I do that, Replit offers the option to build an app or create a design. Now, in terms of the type of app, we've got web app, mobile, animation, data app, 3D game, automation. We can start from scratch. Now for this first one, I'm gonna select 3D game. Okay, so here's my game idea. Create a 3D endless runner game set on a high stone bridge in the sky with a theme that blends Minecraft and fantasy. Let's go ahead and punch this in. All right, here we go. Here is our game. It is called Endless Bridge Run. I'm going to turn the sound on. Let's click on Start Quest. All right, here we go. So collect the coins just like this. I can move left and right quite easily. Very nice. All right, looks pretty good. I'm going to jump over this. And I have fallen. I already have some revision ideas for my game, so I'm going to drop them in the chat just like this. I want to add subtle fantasy music that plays, and I want to add a massive castle in the distant background. Let's punch this in. All right, let's jump back in, start quest. All right, got some subtle music going on. We can see a castle in the background as well. Got my score at the top left. Oh, and we have fallen. All right, so there is our game. We've got a working UI, we've got music, sound effects, and there's score tracking as well. Now, as soon as you're ready to go live with whatever you're building, you just want to come on over to the very top and click on publish. So let's do that quickly. And then here's my default domain and it is available. We're going to keep this on public. We've got some engagement tools we can consider, but I'm going to come on over and click on publish. All right, and that is going to take us through the publishing process. Our app is going to be published and ready to go in no time. Our production is ready. And here is our domain. Let's go ahead and open this up. And our game is completely live now and ready to go. For my next idea, I want to create a social media platform. So here's my prompt. Creator platform web app with a modern immersive tech aesthetic. Think premium gaming UI meets creator economy dashboard. Let's go ahead and pop this in. All right, here we go. This is called Collab Hub, and we're gonna go ahead and enter the creator network. So this is where I can showcase my skills, find my squad, and drop updates. So I'm gonna log in with a demo account right here. All right, we are inside the platform and we just landed on the wall. This is a live feed from the creator network. So we have a bunch of mock profiles that have posted different updates, different things going on. We've got some AI art going on. Alex has posted his studio looking super clean. Marcus is showing a video project. Now let's come on over to navigate and click on gig board. So in the chat box, I actually added a feature where we have a section for job board postings. This is called the gig board, where we can find work, post gigs, and build together. We're seeing postings for a video editor. We've got a writer, vocalist, photographer. We've got front-end dev as well. So this is going to be a really useful section for our platform. We can even come on over here and click on post gig, where we can go ahead and upload a job posting. And then we also have Discover, we've got creators, collabs, direct messages, got one from Marcus. So it is all in here. Just like last time, when you're ready to go live with your app, just come over to the very top and click on publish. Then you're going to see your domain, and then you're just going to go ahead and click on publish right here. Now I want to jump in this brand new feature within Replit called Replit Animation. So we can describe our animation and watch it come to life. Then we can export that as a video and share it anywhere. So I'm going to click on this right here because I do have an idea in mind. Here's my animation idea. I want a cinematic animation of an iPhone rising from the bottom of the screen, staying perfectly upright while rotating side to side. I want PayPal payment notifications that rapidly appear on the screen. We've got the animation selection picked. We're going to go ahead and click on start. All right, here's our animations. We've got a super clean phone, PayPal notifications that pop up, and this followed my direction exactly. This is super, super clean. If I want to add something like sound effects, it is as easy as prompting that in the chat box, but I'm super happy with this animation. I'm going to come on over and click on export at the very top. So let's export this. We've got our name. So we can export this into an MP4 file, and then I'm going to click on 1080p 60 FPS. Let's go ahead and render this. So here's the big takeaway. Replit builds apps you can actually use. So we just went from an idea to a working game to a live URL. And then with our second idea, we created a social media platform in no time at all in one place. And if you want to try this out for yourself, go ahead and use my referral link in the description and pinned comment below. Now, once you do that, whenever you upgrade with Replit, you'll get $10 in Replit credits. Now, I want to hear from you in the comments. What did you think of my builds today? And what do you plan on building with Replit? Drop your answers in the comments below. And with all that, good luck and have fun with your building.